Okay, hopefully my fan isn't too loud, but I asked you guys if you want a hair video on how I change hair colors. The lighting isn't the best. I know, I just have my ring light right here and nothing on this side. So the products I've been using, I got this Ion hard water shampoo. It's a purifying shampoo, so I've been using that the past week. I've been washing my hair more often than normal, so it's faded quite a bit. It doesn't look that faded in the camera, but it is. I have quite a bit of roots. First thing we're gonna do is use this L'Oreal color remover. You can either use it with water or a 20 volume developer. So we're gonna do the 20 volume developer. Hopefully it'll take out most of the color. I've got so much going on with my hair right now. So hopefully we'll see how much that takes out. And then if not, I do have bleach down here that I'll probably just use the 20 volume because I have to use that for my roots. And then I have the color, which I use Arctic Fox, and I like that because it has a bunch of like conditioning properties. So I leave that on for like an hour and it helps to repair that. So let me go mix that up and I'll be back. The 20-minute mark. Okay, so this is after 35 minutes. I don't know how it comes out on the camera, but I can see it's like pastel-y pink. So after I shower and dry it, oh, I'm dripping. Then I'll decide if I should do one more color remover or just bleach it. And this is the result of one time. I don't know how it's coming out on camera, but like it's pretty spotty. Like, this is how I'm pretty certain that it is bleach, because if it was just a color remover, it wouldn't do this to my roots. Can you see that? My hair does feel pretty, it feels pretty good. It's just slightly dry, but I mean, I blow dried it with no product in there because I am going to do it one more time to get the rest of that pink out. I'm doing that off camera because it's the same process as before, and I'll just do it not as long as before because it shouldn't take too long to get these peachy tones out. I did the color remover one more time, and this is what I'm left with. My hair feels fine. It does not feel that damaged, it just feels a little dry. I'm about to go through with my Paul Mitchell dual purpose lightener and 20 volume, and I'll just leave it on there depending on how long. I can usually look in the mirror or look at my hair and see if I can wash it out, because like all this is natural growth, so it should go pretty quick. So there's no time limit on that. Alright, I'm back. I'm done with my hair finally. Something I wanted to mention was when I had my pink hair, I was using pink shampoo. And I didn't think of that when it came to my hair back here, because it was all my natural color. So I did all the color remover on here, and then back here I bleached it. When I put bleach on there, it started turning pink, and I was like, what the hell is happening? I don't understand. And it was because I was using the pink shampoo, so obviously the pink is in my hair. It's tinted still, you know? So I went back, got a color remover, another one, and put it back here, so now it finally matches. And I don't remember what I said in the video that I filmed the other day, but there are so many videos out there that say how to get fashion color out without bleach, and I just want you to know that they're using this product, the L'Oreal color remover. I did not look at the ingredients and compare them to bleach, but it is some kind of bleaching, because like I said, I used that on my roots here, which I had this much root, this much regrowth of my own color, not my own color, my natural color, and it lightened that to the same shade or lighter. So there is some kind of bleaching property in this product. That's just a warning. And yeah, so then last night I mixed my hair color, put it in for an hour, and then washed it. So are you guys ready to see the color? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I did slimy green. I've been missing my yellow, but I didn't want to do yellow again, and I don't think I've ever had a full head of green, so I wanted to do green. I think I've done every color besides green. I've had green pieces in my hair, but never a full head of slime bright green, and I love it so much. I didn't take a picture of what I did, but I just used mostly Arctic Fox Cosmic Sunshine. Like, I put the whole thing in there, and then I put probably 2 to 3 dots of their aquamarine, like just little dots, you know what I mean? So that's what I did. But yeah, hopefully this helps anyone figure out what they're doing with their hair. And yeah, if you could hit the like button, subscribe if you're not, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!